Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in bright white. With black headlamp bezel finish, Jeep gloss black badging, 20-inch black aluminum wheels, black tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 26,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, split folding rear seats, a power liftgate, all powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5249A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.